Hey parents, are you getting ready for school soon? Getting school clothes, buying school supplies, making all those doctor's visits? Well, if you haven't figured out what to do with your estate planning or making sure your family's taking care of an emergency, now is the time to get it done. Statistics show that of all the things that we need to do as responsible parents, most people put off getting their estate plan done. And I totally get it. When you're buried in toys, it's the last thing you really want to think about. It can be tedious to do, it can be very expensive, and it takes a lot of time out of your day. You have to research a firm, you have to talk to an attorney, you got to do most of that from 9 to 5. And who has vacation time for all those things? Well, I don't want you to get stuck. If you don't have an emergency plan in place or an estate plan in place and something bad happens to you, you need to know that your children will end up in foster care. Now, we don't need to add any more children to the foster care system, especially children that otherwise have loving, happy homes and guardians available to them. In order to get around that, I have a great solution.
I also have a toddler sneaking down the stairs.
Our solution is going to be an estate planning event for you on October 16th. On September 1st, we're going to open up the seats and we only have limited availability. But what this is an opportunity for families to get the comprehensive planning done that they need at a price point they can afford on a schedule that makes sense for them, with the convenience of a signing ceremony being done where you can bring the kids. And no, it's going to be like a party. So you don't have to worry about them being a part of whatever the actual signing looks like for you. Stay tuned for updates about this because I'm very excited. Our goal is to help serve you where you are and for what you need. So, I'm Lauren Glenn. I'm an estate planning attorney in Cooperstown, New York. Look out for this opportunity. September 1, we open up our registration. The event itself is going to be on October 16th. It'll be located here in Cooperstown. Again, our goal is to make sure that you stay protected and that you have the emergency plan that you need. Because while this year is going to be a great one, for some people, we may encounter difficulties, and it's always best to be prepared.